This is a very old coin. In this video, I will show you the coin test with the needle. This is a very big one, concrete needle. In this video, I will show you the testing. This is normal 10 rupees coin. This is a very rare anti-iron coin or antique coin. Now you can see the magical power of this coin. This is a very rare coin. This is our nail. You can see the power of the coin. The coin always rejecting the nails. You can see. Once again, I will show. I am not shaking my hands. This is not fake movement of needle. You can clearly see that the coin always rejecting the needle. Needle or nails. This is a very big nail. For confirming that I am doing this with 10 rupees coin. There is no movements. You can clearly see that. I stop the nail movement. Yes, you can clearly see that now it's working. Yeah, this is the 100% real magic power of this coin. This is a very rare antique coin. Yes. Once again, I'll show you. You can clearly see that the coin always rejecting this nail. This is a normal coin. There is no reaction.